Next, you just want to flip the unit over and loosen all of the screws in the bottom cover. Now that the screws are all loosened, you can take the bottom cover off. The first thing you want to do once the bottom cover is off is unplug the battery. This is to protect any shortages of the motherboard or the LCD. Now that the battery is unplugged, you can take out the screws holding it in. And now remove the battery. Now you can grab your new battery and put it back into place. Put the screws back in to hold it down. After the screws are in, now you want to reconnect the battery to the motherboard. And you can put your bottom cover back on. And retighten all the screws. To make sure that the replacement was successful, you can plug the unit in. And then you can open it up. And as long as the screen comes on, then that means the replacement was successful. Now I'm going to unplug it while it is still on to make sure that the battery is working properly. And if you unplug it and it is still on, then that means that was successful as well. So you can shut the unit off and close it.